Intelligence Gateway.
Module 4, Organizational Behavior. Organizational behavior is a multidisciplinary field that studies how individuals, groups, and structures within an organization interact and influence each other's behavior in the workplace. It seeks to understand and explain the complex dynamics that shape how people behave, work, and interact in organizations. Organizational behavior draws on theories and concepts from disciplines such as psychology, sociology, anthropology, economics, and management to better understand human behavior in organizational settings. At its core, organizational behavior explores how individuals within an organization perceive, interpret, and respond to the internal and external factors that affect their behavior. These factors may include leadership styles, organizational culture, communication patterns, decision-making processes, motivation, job satisfaction, conflict resolution, and teamwork, among others. Organizational behavior also examines how groups and teams form, develop, and function within organizations, and how their interactions impact organizational outcomes. Organizational behavior is concerned with understanding individual and group behavior within the broader context of the organization's goals, structure, and environment. It seeks to identify patterns of behavior, such as communication patterns, leadership styles, and decision-making processes, that can influence organizational effectiveness and performance. Additionally, organizational behavior explores how organizations can create an inclusive and diverse workplace that promotes employee engagement, satisfaction, and well-being. The study of organizational behavior has practical implications for organizations and managers. It provides insights and tools for understanding and managing human behavior in the workplace effectively. For example, it can help organizations design more effective leadership practices, communication strategies, performance management systems, and organizational policies that foster a positive work environment and enhance productivity. It can also assist in managing diversity, resolving conflicts, building high-performing teams, and developing effective organizational cultures that align with the organization's values and goals. In summary, organizational behavior is a field of study that examines how individuals, groups, and structures behave in organizations and how their behavior influences organizational outcomes. It encompasses a wide range of topics, theories, and research methods aimed at understanding human behavior in organizational settings and providing insights for improving organizational effectiveness, performance, and well-being. Understanding the dynamics of organizational behavior. 1. Understanding the dynamics of organizational behavior involves studying the various factors that influence how individuals and groups behave within an organization. It involves recognizing the complexities of human behavior and how it impacts the overall functioning of the organization. Here are some key dynamics of organizational behavior. Individual behavior. Individuals bring their unique personalities, attitudes, values, and motivations to the workplace, which influence their behavior. Understanding individual behavior involves recognizing how individual characteristics and experiences shape employees' behavior, such as their level of engagement, productivity, and job satisfaction. Leadership and management. Leadership and management styles and behaviors impact the behavior of employees and teams within an organization. Understanding different leadership and management approaches, their effects on employee behavior, and how leaders can influence organizational behavior is essential for effective leadership. Organizational culture. Organizational culture encompasses the shared values, beliefs, norms, and practices that shape the behavior of individuals within an organization. Understanding the culture of an organization and how it influences employee behavior, decision-making, and communication is important in managing organizational behavior effectively. Communication. Communication is a critical dynamic of organizational behavior. Effective communication influences how employees share information, collaborate, and interact with each other. Understanding communication patterns, barriers to communication, and promoting effective communication practices within the organization is essential for fostering positive organizational behavior. Developing effective management strategies. Developing effective management strategies involves the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling resources and activities to achieve organizational goals and objectives. Here are some key steps to develop effective management strategies. 1. Set clear goals and objectives. Clearly define the goals and objectives that you want to achieve. Make sure they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. Setting clear goals and objectives provides a direction for the organization and helps in aligning management strategies accordingly. 2. Analyze the internal and external environment. Conduct a thorough analysis of the internal and external factors that may impact the organization's performance. This includes assessing the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats (SWOT) of the organization, as well as understanding the industry trends, competitive landscape, customer needs, and regulatory environment. This analysis helps in identifying potential areas for management strategies. 3. Develop a strategic plan based on the goals, objectives, and environmental analysis. Develop a strategic plan that outlines the overall direction, priorities, and action steps to achieve the organizational goals. The strategic plan should be flexible, adaptable, and aligned with the organization's mission, vision, and values. 4. Establish effective organizational structure and processes. Ensure that the organization's structure, processes, and systems are designed to support the strategic plan and facilitate effective management. This includes defining roles and responsibilities, establishing clear communication channels, developing efficient decision-making processes, and creating mechanisms for accountability and performance measurement. Developing effective management strategies requires a systematic and strategic approach that involves setting clear goals, analyzing the internal and external environment, developing a strategic plan, establishing effective organizational structure and processes, building a high-performing team, implementing and monitoring progress, fostering a culture of continuous improvement, communicating effectively, monitoring and mitigating risks, and evaluating and measuring performance.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.